Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Yes, to the crowd. Get the crowd. Get the crowd. Get the crowd.
My country people who not enjoying ourselves so. I say who not enjoying ourselves so. I no need to tell me because I dey see that myself. Oliver the coach say make I tell una say enjoyment brokutu shele for ground today, and he want everybody to dance now because as you can see the bobo correct, and he want tell una say he no want wahala all the baby wey una see they carry like that make una no touch them unless una want wahala. Country people una don ready? Because you know say Shama no want no wahala Introducing one more time the great High Life King of Africa, Oliver the Coco. And his organic super sound of Africa. Stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned.
Social man no. Social man no get time for wahala. Aha. I be social man for the people. I be social man no. I no get time. I no get time. I no get time for wahala. I no get time. I no get time. I no get time for trouble. See me see trouble, eh? See me see trouble, eh? And I play my music, I no one wala. And I play my music, I no one trouble. If you find me trouble, I'm in social man. If you find me trouble, Oliver Nico cannot get time for wahala. No time, no time, no time for wahala. No time, no time, no get time for trouble. No time, no time, no time for wahala. No time, no time, no get time for trouble. Social man no get no wahala. Me friend me say no social man no get no wahala. I want to play my music without no trouble. So get on, bubble and shuffle yourself, cause social man no get no trouble, my friend. You never chop belly. If you say you wanna make trouble with me, no way. I say no time. If you wanna make trouble with me, carry your wahala, go fight carpenter for a workshop. For life, Makashukuna, you go wrong. my music to make everybody happy. I no get time for wahala. Blessed in September 26. Blessed in September 26. Blessed in September 26. Blessed in September 26, 1992. Nigerian Air Force, a cruise aeroplane crashed, killing everybody on board. Chukwuekwe na Kifedoto Mezenyozo, Ubangiji, Alakiyaye, Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ kí kó báyìí ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wa mọ́, àmín àṣẹ. What a tragedy! The cold hand of death has snatched our beloved ones in the air disaster. Oh, Nigerians and Africans will never forget you. Oh, adieu. Oh, Mama Africa. Children lost their lives in the disaster. Nigerian African nations were born in a hero. Africans were crying, Nigerians were crying, Mama Africa weeps again. Oh, Nigerians were crying, Africans were crying, Mama Africa weeps again. Hey, hey. Oh, Mama Africa. Oh, Mama Africa. Mama Africa. Your children lost their lives in air disaster. Nigerian African nations, we are mourning our heroes. We pray to God, we pray to Allah, who console our dear President, General Ibrahim Babangida, and our First Lady, Dr. Mrs. Madam Babangida, our Vice President, Obesis Efemo, to bear the irreparable loss with fortitude. Fellow Nigerians, let's be at the loss. Oh, Mama Africa. Oh, Mama Africa. Mama Africa. Your children lost their lives in air disaster. Nigerian African nations, we are mourning our heroes. Our sympathies also extend to the minister and Chief of Defense Staff, General Sani Abacha, the Chief of Air Staff, Air Vice Marshal Akin Dada, the Chief of Naval Staff, Vice Admiral Dan Christian Omashola, the Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Saliu Ibrahim, Inspector General of Police Alhaji Aliu Atta, members of the Armed Forces Ruling Council, the Commandant, Command and Staff College, Jaji, Major General J.N. Dogonyaro, the governors, ministers, and the entire people of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We are in a deep sorrow with the immediate families and relations of the dead heroes. Oh, please, do not cry again. Accept our sympathies. Oh, Mama Africa. Oh, Mama Africa. Mama Africa. Your children lost their lives in air disaster. Nigerian African nations, we are mourning our heroes. Uganda and Tanzania, Ghana and Zimbabwe, who lost their great heroes in a disaster. Fellow Africans, let's be at the last. Oh, mama.